So we've just finished washing our aeration base plate, and now that's looking much cleaner. All the holes are free, so we know we're not going to have any aeration issues when we restart. We've also cleaned up the hatch as well, and that's going to come in handy for this next task as a kneeler to save my knees. We're just going to clean out the material we've got left in the base here. We're going to put that in the bucket and use it because it's all good composting material. So I'll just scrape the rest of this out. So that's all the material from inside cleared out, put in my bucket to use later on the garden. Now we're just going to move the bin. It's going to be nice and lightweight, so you can move it and hose the rest of it out so it's clean and ready for a restart. So just to say, I'd probably only attack the aeration mesh on the front here with the hose when the bin was empty, rather than filling this area with water when the bin's full and in operation. This is probably the best time and the only time you'd actually use the hose on the aeration mesh on the front. So the water's draining out nicely and we're getting there. I'd also just say try not to spray inside where the biofilter sits as well, because you don't want that getting overly clogged with water. Okay, so we're all clean now, bin's good to go, so we'll get it repositioned and the aeration plate and the hatch back on, and then we're good to start our bin from scratch and build our base layer. Okay, so we've cleaned everything out, the aeration plate, the aeration mesh plate on the front, the hatch, and we've hosed out the whole of the hot bin. So now it's just a matter of putting it all back together. Get the base plate. It doesn't matter which way this goes round, designed to fit in any way. So that should just slide neatly back in and drop. Might have to push it down like so. And on with the hatch. So push it in at one side to start off with, and then you'll have to put some downward pressure on it to hold it in place, because it's obviously not got any weight of any compost in, so just give that a bash. So the hatch is on firmly now. You just need to put your cam straps back round, and then you can start building your base layer from scratch again. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button or subscribe to this channel for our next video coming soon. Thanks very much.